Is it cold?
It's okay. It's like the big bathtub.
Go swimming.
Is that cold?
Oh, he's looking.
Huh? Yeah?
Going swimming.
It's your first swim lesson. Yeah. You like that? Ooh, it's cold, huh?
You gotta put him on the ramp.
He likes it.
So bring him closer.
He likes it. Oh, he's laughing. Oh, he's really laughing.
Fun?
Doggy's away.
Emma.
Is that Uncle Mike who's filming? Oh, we're floating. We're floating. Yeah?
Howard, you can put him on here.
Okay. All of a sudden, the water's getting very warm. Oh, no, it's not. You like that? You like swimming? Kick. Good, kick. Kick. Yeah. Kick. Come on.
Dogs love it.
Kick. There you go. Ready? Kick. Yeah? You like the floating?
He really likes it. He's laughing.
Yeah? You like that? You like swimming? Huh? You want to swim forward now? Whee!
The air temperature.
Then we can teach you to blow bubbles.
We'll feel that.
Warmer?
No, I want you to feel it. Tell me if it's warmer or colder than this morning.
Warmer.
It can vary that much?
You think it's colder?
It feels a lot colder to me because the air temperature now is warmer. That's still in the water, you know. Meant to be. Yeah, that's like.
You like that?
Put him up on the pillow.
Yeah.
Yay!
Say woohoo!
You can put his head up on the pillow and then he
Yeah.
can
It doesn't.
Taking it very well.
Yeah, he really is.
Are you going to be a fish? Oh, yeah. Pretend like you're in Miami Beach,
That didn't take long.
smoking a cigar.
Howard, it's North Miami Beach.
North Miami. You know, he'll be at South Beach. Right?
He has to sit up, I think.
Yeah? You like that? How you like that?
Is that fun? You like going swimming?
Huh? You want to come down? Whee!
You like it?
Kara's doing a video too.
Whee!